Hi everybody, this is Annelie van Wyk, granny of 2, cancer survivor and a happy chappy. And I would love to speak to you about Power Lead System, Compensation Plan, Power Lead System 2018 Compensation Plan. Now first tell me, when you when you check out the market and you want to go on online or any other business, how do you go? Just with a little bit or full out? My feeling is that if you go, just say $50, you're not really going to make an effort about it. But if you put 500 or 5,000, you're going to make an effort to get this thing working, to make it work. There's no option about it. And if my screen wobbles a little bit, on my laptop, the recorder didn't want to work today. The webcam didn't want to. Only my screen, not my webcam. And I don't want to take a picture of my screen, my screen. I want to take a picture of mwah. So please excuse me. Maybe it's a little shivers of old age, you know. Anyway, I'm very excited about Power Lead System 2018 Compensation Plan. It is simply the best. Now, back to where I was. If you put in effort in a business, you make a deposit into a business, and you put in the minimum, how much effort are you going to put in? You're just going to try it. If you put in your $50, try it 1 month, 2 months. Oh, I'm not making money. And then you leave. Huh? What about if you put in the $500? Especially on my side, our currency conversion rate or something at the moment is about 14:1. So I have to put in a lot of money for $1, a whole 14 Rand. And by putting in what I did, I'm going to make this work. There's no option about it. No two ways about it. And the best thing is, it is so exciting. It is so exciting. I can't get enough of this whole Power Lead system. Let me quickly tell you about the compensation plan of Power Lead System. First, you get your free system, which is free lightning. Then you get lead lightning, which is you buy it for $7, and you get $6 commission. It's a lifelong membership that you've got on that one. But $6, I mean, hello, how much effort are you going to put in? The next portion is the gold, becoming a gold member in Power Lead System. That costs you $53 monthly, and then you can qualify for $20 residual income monthly. The next step is 100, being a diamond member. Diamond member is $147, and then you qualify for unlimited $100 commissions. Sounds better than $20, don't you think? And then becoming a platinum member, which is me. To become a platinum member, it was $497 US dollars, not Zim dollars, US dollars, and you qualify for unlimited $400 commissions. Sounds good to me. And then there's another level, which is a little bit high for me at the moment in time, but I'll get there, which costs $1,497. The master. Anyway, the master level. They can make $1,000 commissions. Now they're playing the big leagues, but I'll get there. Now, if you put in, I paid, you have to pay for all the levels, otherwise, to get to your level, meaning that I could not pay $497 and then I qualify for the gold and the diamond members as well. I have to pay their fee plus the diamond fee and then my fee. So I paid $697 to get into this exciting system, and I am not 1 moment sorry about it. It takes time to snowball for you to get get branded out there, that everybody knows about you, and then you start slowly but surely, you start making a little commission and a little more commission. You get your residual monthly incomes and a little bit more and more and more. And it is such a wow situation that I think if you go and put in a $50, you're wasting your money. You're not going to make the effort to really make it work. But put in your 500 or your 5,000, you're going to make it work. You're going to put in the effort and you're going to make it work. By the way, before I'm finished, at the bottom of the screen, there is a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, your choice. Please give me a comment and subscribe to my channel. Follow me in my growth. I'd appreciate that. Thank you very much. Back to the compensation plan. If you put in that small amount, how easy is it for you to just drop out? Huh? Think about it. If you want to join a program that you know works, like Power Lead System, and it get excellent reviews, I might add. And don't go with petty cash. Go full out. At the bottom, my link will be there. Click that link. Go full out. Not the master one, if you want to, but I won't follow. If you go, for example, if you subscribe to this Master Institute level, then I won't qualify for the commission on that one because I don't belong to that level. I can only get commissions up to my level, which is platinum level. So that will pass me by to the upper level, to my sponsor. If he's not on that level, hasn't bought in on that level, it will go above him and above and above and above to the first person above me that has bought into that level. So if you go for the gold membership, where you get $20 per month, there might join somebody in your downline for a platinum or diamond memberships. So you're going to lose out on that $100 of the diamond. You're going to lose out on the $400 for the commission on the platinum level. So why start at the bottom? If you want to do it full out. Or not, just leave it. Stay where you are. Stay mediocre. Stay broke. I want to make money, and I'm going to do it with Power Lead System. And this Power Lead System compensation plan 2018 is absolutely mwah. And I'm excited, and I hope you too. So sign up at the bottom, get that link, click that link, join me up in my team, and let's make money. Please comment, subscribe, and thumbs up. And thank you very much for listening. And I'll speak to you again. Love you and leave you. Mwah. Bye.